Hello everyone. Today what we are going to do in mental maths and reasoning, we are going to just go through what we have already learned, and there is one important topic, that is a mathematical puzzle. We will discuss a different mathematical puzzle today. Okay, so here there are three triangles and some numbers written in three corners of the triangle and in middle of the triangle. So now look here, how will you find out what will come in place of the question mark? For the first triangle, look, a hint is given that if you multiply the bottom two corners of the first triangle, bottom two corners means the base of the triangle, 4 and 3 is given. It is known as the bottom of the triangle or base of the triangle. For the first triangle, at the top 5 is given and at the bottom two corners 4 and 3 is given. Now students, if you multiply 4 and 3, 4 3s are 12. Now with this 12, if you add 5, you get 17. So 17 is written in the middle. So how are you getting the number inside the triangle? If you multiply two numbers which is at the bottom of the triangle and then add the result with the number which is at the top corner of the triangle, you get the number which is in the middle of the triangle. Similarly for the next one, 7 8s are 56. Again 56 plus 6, 62. So that is why 62 is there in the middle. Similarly, you have to find for the third triangle. So you will perform the third triangle and tell me what is the answer that you are getting. Easy? Okay, second one. Here also there are three triangles, three numbers written at three corners of the triangle and a number in the middle. Now look here, how are we getting this number? Now in the hint it is given, look here, if you add the numbers which are given at the bottom of the triangle, bottom two corners, that is 11 and 13, how much you get? 24. From 24, if you minus or subtract the number which is at the top corner of the triangle, you get the number which is in middle of the triangle. That is 11 plus 13, 24. From 24, if you subtract 12, you get 12. That is why 12 is written at the center of the triangle. Now again for the second triangle, look here, 21 plus 10, 31. 31 minus 8, how much you get? 23. So 23 is written in the middle of the triangle. Similarly, do the third one and tell me the answer. How will you get the number which will come in place of the question mark? Okay, now the third one. Similar kind of problem, look here. So here at the bottom of the triangle 10, 13 is given and at the top 1 is given. This one is very simple. Solve this one for yourself. I will not say how you are getting. There is a hint given for you. First see the hint, try and understand, then try and solve. If you cannot understand, tell me in the comment section. I will explain. But before that, you try this one for yourself. Previous two I have explained. So, and here hints are also given. Look at the hint, try and understand, and then solve it. Okay? Okay, look at the fourth one. Here you have to complete the series, or you have to find the number that will come in place of the question mark. Now what are the numbers given? 15, 21, 17, 23, 19. Now students, here something you have to be very careful about. You need to observe. In all the series completion sums that we have done so far, either the number were arranged in ascending order or the numbers were arranged in descending order. According to that, you have to find the missing number. But now look here, one number here, this numbers, there is no particular ascending or descending order here. First 15 is there, then 21, again 17, then 23, then 19. So that means there is no particular one number, the relation between the first and the second number and second and the third number, it is different. Look here, listen very carefully. First number is 15. So with 15, if you add 2, how much you are getting? 17. That means if you are adding 2 with the first number, you are getting the third number. So 15 plus 2, 17. Again, with the third number, if you add 2, you are getting 19. That is the fourth number. Now come to the second number, that is 21. With 21, if you add 2, you are getting 23. So now what will come in the question mark? It is like alternate series going on. Alternate series means 15, 17, 19. Then there is another series, 21, 23. Then what will come? You have to find that out. Okay. For the fifth sum again, look here. 12, 10, 16, 11, 20, 12, 24. That is, one number is greater than other. Like, there is no connection between the first number and the second number and the third number. But if you look at the numbers very nicely, you will say there is a relation between the first and the third number, third and the fifth number, and there is a relation between second and the fourth number, fourth and the sixth number. Like this, the relations are going. What I mean is, look here, there are two types of series. First series is starting from 12. 12 plus 4, 16, which is the third number. 16 plus 4, 20, which is the fifth number. 20 plus 4, 24, which is the seventh number. Now, come back to 10, which is the second number. So 10 plus 1, 11, which is your fourth number. 11 plus 1, 12, which is your fourth number. Sorry, sixth number. So now, which number will come in place of the question mark? I am repeating again. If you add 4 with the first number, you are getting the third number, which is 16. Again, you add 4 with the third number, you are getting the fifth number, that is 20. If you add 4 with 20, you are getting 24, that is the seventh number. Similarly, if you add 1 with the first number, that is 10, you get 11. That is the fourth number. If you add 1 with 11, you get the sixth number, that is 12. So what will come in place of the question mark? That is, it is an alternate series. First series is 12, 16, 20, 24. Second one is 10, 11, 12, and then you have to find the number in the question mark. Okay, this one, the sixth sum is from analogy. We have solved a lot of analogy questions. First, you have to see what is the relation, how you are getting 250 from 500. In the same manner, you have to get what will come in place of the question mark from 300. This one you have to do for yourself because we have already practiced a lot of analogy questions. Number 7 is similar to number 6. You have to first find out how we are getting 504 from 72. In the same manner, you have to find out the number that will come in place of question mark. Like if you find out how you are getting 504 from 72, then only you will get what will be the number which you will get from 56. This one you have to solve for yourself, okay? These are the questions you have to solve yourself. Number 8 is the easiest of all the sums that I have given you to solve. You just have to find the mirror image of the letters R, T and P. Very easy. Do it and tell me the answer. Okay, number 9. These are all revision questions. We have done a lot of these sums. Like these sums you have done in the chapter give and take. How will you find out what will come in place of the question mark? If you have the other two numbers, find and tell me what will come in place of question mark. Look at number 10, students. in a certain code, tiger is written as REGIT, then how will maths will be written in the same code? We have solved, right, a lot of these kind of questions. So this one must also be very easy for you. Do it for yourself and let me know the answers, okay? I want to see how you solve it. Tell me the answers in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Go through the video, solve the questions. I hope you have enjoyed the class. See you again in the next video. Bye bye and take care.